Howdy folks, it's VileMike here. I'm about to cross the border, so it's time to open a Kinder Egg that Mrs. Vile got me. This is one of the animal ones, so let's see what we get this time, if I can actually open it. Before, we got a couple of them. Let's see how it goes. Oh, let's go opening from the bottom. There we go. Go ahead and set this chocolate off to the side so we can find out what toy we got. Ooh, this one looks kind of cool. It's a Boyd.
I want my board.
So it's a little blue macaw type parrot.
It's magnificent.
Linda, little help here. Linda.
And if you touch it, it flaps its wings.
No,
Ay, caramba.
That's actually kind of cool. I like this one.
Whew. Is it hot? I think I'm sweating. I didn't even think that was biologically possible, and yet, look.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's it. All right, that's it. Later, folkses.